Hello friends, how are you all? Friend, in this video I am going to share with you rich people qualities. What qualities are in those person? So let's start this video. Friend, first point is self-aware. A rich people is a self-aware person. He knows that what qualities I have and what qualities I need to improve. It doesn't matter what is going on in the society. It doesn't matter what is the news of today. What is going on in India, what is going in MP, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, doesn't matter. But he knows that what I need to do. He focus on his goal. He always focus on his goal. Suppose I need to improve communication skills. So immediately he will take the course of communication skills. He knows that if I want to improve my communication skills, then I will have to join seminar, webinar or courses. So definitely I'll do it. Instantly he will purchase that course, and then after he will do that work which is increasing his knowledge. So immediately he works on that. Second point is he says that I'll do this work right now. While poor person says that no, I can do this work later, I can do this work tomorrow, day after tomorrow, means he always ignore that work. While rich people never ignore the things. He always focus on self-awareness, and he says that I'll do that work right now. If I have purchased some course, then I'll do work on it from today. Third point is, our rich people always wants money according to result. I don't want money according to time. I always want money according to my result. So focus on it. Fourth point is, he is a risk taker and he always takes responsibilities. A rich people always takes responsibilities. If you will say that you have to do this work, then he says, yes, I am ready for that. He always takes responsibilities. Then fifth point is, rich people always focus on investing, while poor people focus on saving money. So you have to become, if you want to become a rich, then focus on investing. If you are earning money, then focus on investing to that money. You need to focus on investing. Sixth point is, rich people says that I don't know everything, but poor people says that I know everything. I not need to work on communication skills. I not need to join seminar, webinar or rich people course. While our rich people always, if I want to improve my knowledge, then I need to improve. I need to join seminar, webinar. I need to join this course. If I want to speak in front of public, then I need to take course, and immediately he will take that course and he will work for that. He always work on improvement. Self-awareness, he is self-awareness person. So again, we revise this point. First point is self-awareness. A rich people is self-aware. Second is, I'll do it from today. He says, I'll do it from today. Third point is, he always wants money according to result. what result he is producing. Fourth point is he takes responsibilities. Fifth point is he always focus on investing. And sixth point is he says that I need to improve and I don't know everything. I can learn from my brother, sister, or little brother, younger sister, or my friend, colleague, my family members and relatives. Everybody can teach me and I can learn from them. So he always focus on learning. If you like this video, then you can tell me in the comment box. If you want to say something related to this video, if you have any query, question, then you can tell me in the comment box. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time. I will be with you in the next video. Thank you to all.